Welcome to today's podcast. We're talking about how to design the perfect landing page for program registration. Over 70% of people decide whether to attend your event based on this page, so it's crucial to get it right. What is an event registration page? An event registration page is a special web page designed to get people to sign up for your event. It's not just any page, it's focused on convincing visitors to register. Key tips for a great landing page. 1. Make it mobile friendly. Ensure your page looks good and works well on phones, tablets, and computers. This is crucial because many visitors will check it out on their mobile devices. 2. Clearly list event details. Put the event's name, date, time, and location at the top. Use an eye-catching image to grab attention. 3. Include testimonials. Show quotes from past attendees to build trust and encourage new sign-ups. 4. Highlight event benefits. Explain what people will gain by attending, like learning new skills or networking opportunities. 5. Use a strong call to action CTA. Your CTA should be clear and stand out. Use phrases like register now and create urgency by noting limited availability. How Jumbula can help. Need an easier way to build your landing page? Jumbula offers tools to create effective, user-friendly pages. Try it free and see how it can help your event succeed. A strong landing page is key to boosting event signups. Focus on mobile-friendly design, clear details, testimonials, benefits, and a strong CTA. Thanks for listening. Use these tips to create a landing page that drives registrations.